In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your goals for 2025 or 2026 using Notion. Whether you're aiming for personal development, professional achievements, or just breaking down those big dreams into manageable steps, Notion can be a remarkable tool to guide you through the process. So let's get started. To begin, you'll want to open up your browser and navigate to the Notion website. This platform serves as a versatile tool, allowing you to create, organize, and track various aspects of your life. Once you're on the website, locate and click on the Marketplace. The Marketplace is a treasure trove of templates and resources curated by users around the world, aiming to enhance your productivity and organizational skills. Now, in the search bar, enter 2025 Goal Tracker, and you may find revised templates for 2026 as well, and hit search. This will bring up a selection of templates specifically designed to help you organize and track your goals for the upcoming year. Scroll through the results, and once you find a template that resonates with your needs, go ahead and click on it. When you've selected your template, click the Add button to import it into your Notion workspace. This action will incorporate the template's structure and features into your personal account, allowing you to use it as a base for your goal planning. It's set up and ready to be personalized and tailored to suit your individual goals. Once the template is added, take a moment to explore its features. This is where the magic of customization comes into play. Feel free to adjust every aspect of it to better align with your specific goals and preferences. Perhaps you want to tweak the color schemes to motivate you visually, or maybe you need to adjust categories to better fit your unique aspirations. This is your space, so make it truly reflective of your vision for the future. Now, it's time to get specific with your planning. Add your monthly goals for 2025 or 2026. To do this, create sections within the template for each month. Break down larger objectives into smaller, more manageable tasks. This approach not only makes it easier to track progress, but also helps maintain motivation as you check off each accomplishment. Remember, planning your goals is about setting yourself up for success. Review these goals regularly and update them as needed to stay aligned with your evolving ambitions and circumstances. Notion allows for flexibility and growth within your planning process, so use these features to adapt as you progress. By taking these steps, you'll harness the power of intentional goal setting, armed with the organizational tools needed to make 2025 and 2026 incredibly productive and fulfilling. Now, get started and let your plans transform into achievements. Happy planning!